Hello Year 9, I hope you're all well and managing to balance your academic work with your enrichment and relaxation activities. I've been busy this week. I've been making face masks, working really hard in my garden, and I try and get out for a run every other day. I've also got a new bike, haven't actually got it out yet, but it's nice and shiny in my kitchen. Please remember to respond to your Lesson A tutors email. This is a really important task that you must undertake each week. Let your tutors know how you're doing and if you need their support. If you're concerned about anything or worried, give them a call or myself and we can see how we can support you. Your work for the week as usual can be located on Show My Homework. Yet again, if you need to be checking every week so that you can plan out a schedule. If you need help, you must Gmail your class teacher. Just type in their surname into the To section of the email and you will find them. You've all responded to your options email and we've had everybody's back. We were really quick on this and I'm so proud of everybody for doing that so quickly. It's now down to us. We're going to be looking at those options that you've chosen and sorting through them and putting you into appropriate groups. We will be in touch with some more information on that later on. I look forward to seeing you all very soon. In the meantime, you need to stay indoors, stay safe and take care. And I'm going to leave you with a thought for the day. If change didn't happen, we wouldn't have butterflies. Stay safe.